Hope Alive has over 100 construction workers. We do a Monday morning devotional. This month we're focusing on finances, creating a budget, setting goals, how to take control of their finances to have financial peace. Well, we asked the group if they would like to join a special class that would be Monday after work. A number of them said yes, and we're going deeper. We're spending about an hour each week teaching them how to have their budget, their finances, and all those things. And so we love it. Henry and I are helping to oversee this group, and these guys are incredible, and they are going to experience financial peace as they put this stuff into practice.